ATD Tools, 24-piece, half-inch drive 6-point SAE and metric socket set. This includes a molded storage case to contain everything in the set. This set features high polish, chrome-plated vanadium steel for good looks and exceptional strength. The set includes 11 standard SAE sockets, 9 standard metric sockets, 1 quick-release ratchet, 2 extensions, and 1 flex handle. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of ATD products, please visit atdtools.com.